What's up, cousins, and welcome to my nighttime hair routine. If this is your first time visiting my channel, or if you haven't watched any of my videos in a while, this is a 4-day-old wash and go from my hair grease series. So just make sure that you are subscribed to my channel with your notifications turned on. I'll be sure to link that video in the description box as well as in the cards, and you can check that video out immediately after this one. I'm gonna start by taking my hair out of this crusty little bun situation that I've had going on all day. And I just want to encourage you guys to make sure that you are watching my videos all the way to the end, because I've gotten this question, how I preserve my curls at night, a lot lately. And I do include it at the end of a lot of my wash and go videos, especially like my wash and go combo series. So if you aren't watching my videos to the end, you really may miss a gem that I just kind of slipped in there. So make sure that you are staying tuned to the end, girl. Normally, I would oil my scalp with my favorite Ayurvedic oil, but since I am experimenting with grease, I am going to be greasing my scalp, and I have been doing this for the past 3 weeks, just kind of going back to the old school method, seeing if it was ever broke, why did we really fix it? And honestly, my scalp has felt better than it has in a long time. It is completely up to you. It is a personal preference whether or not you want to use grease or not, but I do encourage you to do the research for yourself. I had to do the research for myself before I started to go back, and before I started to experiment with it. I pretty much had just been listening to what other people had told me about petroleum, blocking your pores and clogging your pores, and keeping moisture from being able to get into your hair. And one thing that I do want to say is that it can't clog your pores. If you do the research for yourself, just the molecular, I cannot say that word, just the molecular makeup of petroleum, it cannot clog your pores, guys. Now, can you be using it wrong and blocking moisture from getting into your hair? Absolutely, which is one reason why I wanted to kind of make a series on how I'm learning to incorporate it the right way into my hair regimen and seeing if it makes a difference. So of course, it's a personal preference, it's a personal choice. Always do what's best for you, but do the research for yourself. Personally, when I'm oiling my scalp, I try to make sure that I focus more, believe it or not, on the roots of my hair than my actual scalp. I do this when I'm using oil or when I'm using grease, just because that's what I'm really trying to keep strong. Of course, I want to keep my scalp healthy as well, but you also want to make sure that you are spreading that down to the roots of your hair. That is going to keep your roots soft, manageable, growing, preventing breakage, all that good stuff. After I have thoroughly greased or oiled my scalp, you guys know a big tip that I always tell you guys is to not put on your scalp. Don't put on your scalp. Don't put on your scarf as soon as you oil your hair, because a lot of times your scarf just kind of sucks that up. So I am actually going to go and rinse my face mask off. I get tons of questions about where I get my scarves from, and truthfully, I get them from back home in Birmingham. They're the only places that have these big, large satin scarves like this, because the majority of them that you see are usually cotton, but these are satin. And today we are going to be rocking the NIPSEY blue. Yes, it is officially NIPSEY blue. I don't care what other blue you associating it with, it's NIPSEY blue, okay? So the first way that you can preserve your curls at night is just what I call a scarf apple because it's not really a pineapple. There is nothing, like there's no hair tie or anything holding my hair. I literally just flip my head over, lay the scarf on the back, and just kind of let it pineapple and, you know, dangle over the front. I usually gravitate to this method if my hair isn't, well, for two reasons. One, if my hair isn't 100% dry, or two, if I am trying to achieve more volume in my hair. I also like this method because it's super easy to like turn it into like a shower cap situation because literally all I do is fold and tuck my hair underneath the scalp. Why do I keep the scarf? Fold and tuck it underneath the scarf, and then I kind of get a clip or a bobby pin or something, and I just kind of clip it to the side when I'm in the shower and my hair is, you know, all tucked away. The second and probably the most common way that you guys see me wear my hair is just straight to the back. A lot of people don't like this method because they feel like it makes their hair flat, but I only do this method if my hair is 100% dry. And you guys know usually I am somebody who wears my hair in a middle part, so it really doesn't affect me because I be wanting my hair to be, you know, flat in the front anyway. And then it hangs out the back. I don't have to worry about smushing it, and my scarf covers the top to kind of keep it protected. And then last but not least, of course, you have the traditional pineapple. If your hair is shorter than mine, you can do mini pineapples. I have older videos on my channel where I used to do like 2 and 3, sometimes 4. But now all I have to do is kind of pull it up to the top and it'll hang over and preserve my curls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for some of you who didn't know what I did. Like and comment down below, and I will see all you guys in the next upload.